on, Brett, get it. Woo! Brett sending it. What's going on, guys? It's Austin here. I'm out here at Brett's property. So pretty out here though. So I hit 201 subscribers today, and I've been working on a new logo and design. So what I'm going to do is, not this video that's going to drop tomorrow, but in a couple, maybe a week or two, I'm going to make a video with my logo, and I'm going to post it on Instagram, so go follow me there. And one lucky subscriber or somebody that's going to comment, I'm going to do a raffle thingy and make it where that one person gets to win a hat, shirt, decal, and beer koozie. So follow me on Instagram and keep up to date, and also like and subscribe, and please comment on this video. I'll use this video's comments for that giveaway. So on that note, I'm leaving the description Mark and Miss Carol and the KU Cajun. Go follow their YouTubes. They're really cool people. My cousin Gavin, he's over there. I'm gonna leave his Instagram and YouTube in the channel. Go follow them. I love you guys, and please like and subscribe, and continue to, help me out, support the channel, and I'll keep giving giveaways and do things for my subscribers. Peace. Yeah, I know. I realized I had the brake parking on. Shut up.
Hey, so hey, at least you know the brake don't help.
No.
Just give it hell. Go ahead. I have to follow my way.
Yeah. Man, this thing's wanting to keep popping up. I don't understand why. Oops. Maybe that fixed it. That don't matter to me. We can do both. Oh, you want to go back there first? I'm following you. My brakes are squealing, son. Where you go? Well, he left me by myself. I wonder if it's a water wheelie. Let's see if it's a water wheelie. I doubt it. It might. Let's try it. No, it won't do it. It'll do it a little bit, not much. I don't understand why. Maybe one of y'all in the comments can help me understand why. this bastard would not really water really for nothing. Oh man. Come on, Brett, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Woo! Alright guys, if you will, in this video, leave a comment or a like or something. Mainly leave a comment, and I'm gonna do a giveaway of my new logo I just come out with. Maybe you guys like it. It'll help support me and the channel, and help support y'all guys. Has it gotten deeper? Woo! I'm about to sink this thing. Cold. Let's turn around. Let's get Brett going through it this time. Well, if this thing can stop being, you know, gay. Butt cheeks are cold. What the crap? This thing saying limp home. Uh-oh, Brett's getting it. Come on, man, stop being stupid. I'm trying to have fun. Can-Am for you. I can't say none because it's mine. That's probably mine. Let's do it in high. Oh, you got your phone? Come on, Brett, get it. Woo! Brett sending it. Look at that bad 1000 eat, son.
Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.